This is Dana Cardboard Hobby. We are cracking 2020 Gold Rush Autograph Full-Size Helmet Luxury Edition 1-box break, eBay break, October 6, 2020. I'm going to read off eBay usernames with team names. We got Pip P. Red with the Bears and Chiefs. Larry Farmer 7860 with the Packers and Chargers. 662_Savage with the Cowboys, Rams, Dolphins, and Jaguars. Jonathan Thark-0 with the Redskins. THEJA-5481 with the Titans. JECHAU-7287 with the Buccaneers. JAC_QG4WF31, hopefully I said that right. Seahawks. We got CAD-DB0 with the 49ers. Peppers Pop with the Steelers. JAC_QG4WF31 with the Eagles. 801 K-Town with the Raiders. Justin V83-US with the Jets. James Kerr-21 with the Giants. Travis014 with the Saints. THEJA-5481 Patriots. Bubby 812936 SVB with the Vikings. DTNERAD with the Colts. POTEA-14 with the Texans. CADDB0 with the Lions. JECHAU-7287 with the Broncos. India_9839 with the Browns. JAC_QG4WF31 with the Bengals and the Panthers. Rizzorado with the Bills. Stickman224331 with the Ravens. JAC_QG4WF31 Falcons. And Larry Farmer 7860 with the Cardinals. That is your full lineup. Okay, we've got your Luxury Edition box here, 2020 Gold Rush Full-Size Helmet Luxury Edition. These are all hand numbers out of 100. There's only 100 boxes made. This is 50 out of 100. Smack dab in the middle. Smack dab in the middle here. All right. Let's do it. Let's get her open. Luxury Edition. What a fabulous break. One of my favorites. All right, here we go. Good luck, everybody. We've got a Shoot Collectibles Authentic Helmet. And let's see what we got front and center here, guys. Coming right at you. Oh boy, we got ourselves a multi-signature one here. So let me get this out of here. We gotta take a peek and go over things here. See what all we got here. Okay, there is our helmet. Oh yeah, we got all kinds of signatures there. Wow, what a beautiful looking helmet that is. Oh my goodness. Do have a JSA certification there. Alright, let me start doing a little bit of research here. Okay. It's a Penn State University helmet, linebacker U with inscriptions. So we got Jack Ham, Dan Connor, Michael Mattei, Andre Collins, Shane Conlon, LeVar Arrington, Sean Lee, Greg Buttle, and Dennis Oncotts. Alright, so we got to check some ownership. We got a little bit of work to do here. So, alright. Let's see, Jack Ham we know is going to be Steelers. Yep, so we got Steelers for sure. Let's see, that was Jack Ham, Dan Connor. That's going to be Panthers, 5 years on Carolina. Okay. Michael Matai here. That will be Saints, 3 years on the Saints, 2 years on Minnesota. So that'll be going to the Saints. Andre Collins. Andre Collins is Redskins. 5 years on the Redskins. Longest tenure was the Redskins. So, yep. So, Redskins there. Shane Conlon. Buffalo. So the Bills for Shane Conlon. We got LeVar Arrington. Pretty sure it's going to be Redskins, but I'll double check. Yep, all Redskins years for. So it's 2 Redskins. Okay. Sean Lee. Oh, that's a nice one. Current team Cowboys, which that we know that for sure. Yep, Cowboys. So the Cowboys are in on this. We got Greg Buttle. Almost done here on all the autos here. Close to covering them all here. Greg Buttle is the Jets. Okay. And one more. Dennis Onkotz. And that will be the Jets as well. 1 year on the Jets. Yep, okay. Okay, so Steelers, Panthers, Saints, Redskins, Bills, Redskins, Cowboys, Jets, Jets. So, let's go check some who's owning who here. Steelers, owned by Peppers Pop. Panthers, JAC_QG4WF31. Saints, Travis014. Redskins is Jonathan-0. Bills is Ritzerato. And we got Cowboys 662_Savage. And the Jets is Justin V83-US. So that's it. This is going to be a random. This is going to be a random. Alright, so we got that all sorted out. So we got a big random coming up here, guys. So let's get this set up. Thanks for your patience while I guess sort all this out here. What a beautiful helmet, by the way. Helmet is really nice. Alright. Going to the random. Okay, so with the random, we got Steelers, Panthers, Saints, Redskins, Bills, Redskins, Cowboys, Jets, Jets. That's how they have the autos listed on the JSA COA website. So Jets do get 2 spots. Redskins get 2 spots because they both have 2 autos for that team. So they get 2 spots in the random. This covers all the autos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 9 autos on that helmet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yep, 9. Yep. Actually, I apologize. There's 10 autographs on there. Hold on. I want to make sure I got this right, so I'm double checking it. Paul Posluszny's also on there. He's the only... Yep, they had him listed on the other side. So there's one more I got to add. Hold on here. And that'll be Jacksonville. That'll be the Jaguars. So I got to add the Jags in there. My apologies. Got to make sure I got this right. Jaguars get added in for Paul Posluszny. Yep. All right. Sorry. There's 10 autos on the helmet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. All right. Now we got it. And the Jaguars are 662_Savage. So yeah, there's no majority owner. So we're good. All right. So now we got everybody in there. That covers all the autos on the helmet. So once again, Redskins got 2 spots with 2 autos on there for the Redskins. Same thing with the Jets. And we do 5 clicks here at Cardboard Hobby. 5 clicks. Yes, 10 autos. Yep, okay, we're good. Alright, so 5 clicks. Let's do this. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, we got one more click. Whichever team is on the top will be the winner of the helmet, guys. Good luck, everybody. That's 5 clicks. Jets, Jets on the top. 5 clicks. Jets. Jets owned by Justin V. 83-US. Congratulations. You are the winner of the Penn State linebackers 10 autographs with inscriptions as well, too. Absolutely gorgeous helmet. Congratulations. That's a beauty. Jets. Jets, Jets. Absolute beauty, guys. Great, great helmet there. I want to thank everybody so much for breaking, guys. I really do appreciate it. Thanks for being patient while I work through all that. Really appreciate that as well. Back at it on Thursday night, guys. And actually going to be going all through the rest of the week once we start Thursday back up. So thank you so much for your support, guys. I'll stick around in case anybody has any questions. CardboardHobby.com. Dugan1640 on eBay, guys. Please be smart. Be safe out there. Thank you.